Hey guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is exciting. It is with a brand that I've worked with so many times in the past. It's called Ponytails, and they did send me over a new unit, so I'm definitely going to review that for you guys. Before we jump right into the video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. It super helps me out with this crazy YouTube algorithm. Also, make sure that you're still subscribed. If you were subscribed already, make sure you're still subscribed because YouTube has been unsubscribing people left and right. All right, you guys, now that we got through all the business, let's go ahead and jump right into this wig. So the first unit that I have for you guys is SEPHINA, and it is a 28-inch unit. It's in color DRF Vanilla Cappuccino, and on the stock card she looks really pretty. So let me go ahead and take her out. So this one is a lace front wig, and this one is by Outre. Right off the bat, I can tell I absolutely love the color. The blonde is nice and creamy, and the wig has this nice brown, deep brown shade, and it has a lot of different varying shades in it. I love that. The lace looks really good, not too bad. I am still gonna tint it though, so I'll show you guys how I do that. I just use the Ebin lace tint spray to tint my lace. Then it has a comb in the back, your 2 adjustable straps, 2 combs in the front. It does have a lace parting space and a lace front area. It looks like it comes with baby hairs as well. So this one is super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this wig on. If you guys like my bonnet, these bonnets are available on my website. It's GLEEmade.com, and click where it says bonnets. I'll also leave a link down below. So I'm gonna just throw on a wig cap. I had to put my hair in 2 really big braids. My hair is not clean. It needs to be washed so badly. But I'm recording at my boo's house, and I don't have all my supplies, like my blow dryer and my shampoos and stuff, so I'm gonna have to make it work without washing my hair. So we are going to cross our fingers and hope for the best. Hopefully this will work. So this is the spray that I use. It's the Ebin lace tint spray in medium dark brown, and you just spray it all over top of the lace. Flip it back on the right side, and that's how it's looking. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace. Oops. Well, I'll put it on my head first and see. Okay, that's centered. I like the color. Let me go ahead and cut off the lace. Go ahead and put it on a little bit easier. Oh yeah, I like how this looks that it comes with. The same with this one. I think it looks fine, but I'm gonna put a little powder in the part. So of course I go to look for my powder, and since I'm not home, I don't have any. So what I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of my foundation and just get a little bit of that. And put a little of that into the part. This wig is cute. Very pretty color. I love the color. very pretty. I definitely love this unit. Very, very beautiful. It's easy to throw on. You don't have to do a lot. You literally just pop it on and you're good to go. I really, really like this one. It's the color for me. It's definitely the color for me. It just gives me all the vibes. I love it. Absolutely love it. Stand up a little bit so you can see the length. Length is really cute. It's definitely giving me summer vibes. So if you guys want to check out this unit, definitely head over to Wig Types. I'll leave a link down below where you can grab it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a like, a huge thumbs up would super help me out and I appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.